I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Yeah. Hey girlie, you got it, you know that I want it. As soon as you walk through, I knew that you'll be perfect for me. Perfection.
Alright guys, so I'm starting off with these leggings that I picked up from Rainbow, and they were only $3, so perfect for a project. And I'm just going to go ahead and fold them in half. Then I'm going to grab some shorts that I like the length of, just to use as a guide for how much I want to cut off. So I know that with the shorts I'm making now, I want to be able to cuff them up. So I'm just leaving about 3 to 4 extra inches below this so that I can cuff them. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to open the shorts up, and I'm just going to go ahead and fold the bottom edge over 2 times. And I'm going to do the same thing, of course, to both sides. And once I'm done folding them both up, all you have to do is sew a stitch on the crotch area and on the side, and you're done with the shorts. So now I'm taking the remainder of the leggings, and I'm going to go all the way down to the ankle part, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut off a good amount of this, and this is going to be for my sleeves. So I don't know, maybe 4 inches, 5 inches up from the ankle I cut off, and these are my 2 sleeve pieces. So moving on from that, I'm going to take both of the pant legs, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut along that seam to open it up. And of course, I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other pant leg as well. Now I'm just going to go ahead and sandwich these 2 pieces together, and taking a tube top that I like the fit of. And I'm not leaving seam allowance on the side just because this red fabric is much stretchier than the white, so I don't have to worry about that. But I'm just going to go ahead and cut off the top and the bottom, leaving space for hemming and elastic. So once I am done cutting off this top piece here, I'm going to go ahead and place right sides together. You want to make sure you always place your right sides together before you stitch. And then I'm just going to go ahead and sew along each side. So now that I've done that, I also went ahead and hemmed the bottom, and it gave it this cute little curly look, which probably won't matter when I'm wearing it, but I thought it was cute for the time being. But anyway, I just went ahead and hemmed that bottom edge so that it's nice and neat on the outside. And then I also hemmed the top part of the ankle piece that I cut off. But I'm going to actually flip those over so that the little curly part can be on the bottom. So this is what that looks like. And once you put the shirt together, it'll look like this. So the next thing I'm going to do is take this elastic, and you want to just measure around the top of your chest, and then sew that elastic piece shut so that it's one circle. Then you can place it around your whole entire tube top. Then you can go ahead and fold over the top edge. Fold the top edge over that elastic. And of course, you're going to do this all the way around the top. And then once it's folded over, you can just go ahead and sew using a zigzag stitch all the way around. So now I'm just taking a piece of scrap fabric, and I'm going to place it over this gray area and sew 3 stitches, 1 down the middle and 2 down the sides, and that's going to be the casing for your little string. So now that I've sewed my elastic and everything, I'm going to place these sleeves on the side seam, and I'm just going to sandwich them together. At this point, everything should be right side out. So I'm going to sandwich these 2 together, and then just sew a straight stitch to sew them together, and do the same thing on the other sleeve as well. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm just flipping it inside out, and as you can see, there's my casing. So going in from the bottom of the shirt, I'm just taking a crochet hook and latching on this shoestring and pulling it through. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side. So you can definitely use any shoestring you want, or you can use the one from your bottoms if they have a string like mine did. So this is what it looks like, and of course you can tighten and scrunch up your top as much as you like. tie it in a bow, and you are done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and don't forget to turn on your post notification symbol. Thank you for watching. As always, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.
You daily what I'ma do, baby, and the reasons that I do what I do is 'cause I want you, girl. Like crows and I roll through my town. Is you rolling with me? And I'd be good if you.